The AMAZFIT GTR4 is a feature-rich smartwatch that combines elegant design with comprehensive health and fitness tracking capabilities, all at a competitive price point. Design and build. The GTR4 boasts a sleek, circular design with a 46mm aluminum alloy case, offering a premium feel without excessive weight. It's comfortable to wear, with a 22mm strap that's easily interchangeable. The watch is water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and daily wear. Display. Equipped with a 1.43-inch AMOLED touchscreen, the GTR4 delivers sharp visuals with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. The display remains bright and clear, even under direct sunlight, enhancing readability and user experience. Health and fitness tracking. The smartwatch features dual-frequency GPS for precise location tracking during outdoor activities. Heart rate monitoring is generally reliable, though some users have reported occasional discrepancies during endurance exercises. Battery life. One of the standout features of the GTR4 is its impressive battery life. Users can expect up to 10 days of usage on a single charge under typical conditions, with intensive features like GPS usage potentially reducing battery life. Additional features. While the GTR4 excels in many areas, it lacks NFC support for mobile payments and onboard music storage for offline playback. Overall, the AMAZFIT GTR4 offers a compelling mix of style, functionality, and affordability. Thank you so much.